Hi everyone, this is Saad, and in this video we are going to see about Threads, which is an Instagram app, and how we can use that. So let's get started. So what is Threads? Basically, it's a new app made by Instagram. It's just like Twitter, but connected to Instagram. So you can share short updates, photos or videos with your friends and followers. And we can even share a simple post without the pictures or videos, unlike Instagram. So basically, it's just like Instagram little brother, but you can use it to share your thoughts or just a few things or a few updates, just like Twitter. So let's see how we can use this. First of all, if you want to install Threads, you can get the option on Instagram as well, but some people don't get it. So I'll keep it simple. Just go to the Play Store and write here Threads, and you will get this option to download and install Threads. Just click here and click on install. As you can see, it's already have 100 million plus downloads by the time I'm recording this video. So click on install. Now after the installation is done, let's open this, and it's very simple to connect with Threads. You can just simply log in with your Instagram ID. I'll choose this one. Now at the start, it will ask you for the privacy preference. What you can do is just select the public profile or private profile, whatever you want. But I want a public profile. So let's select this, click on continue from the bottom. And here is a little definition of how Thread works. You can read through all of this and click on join threads. We can allow some notifications. And as you can see here on the home tab, we have different people who have shared different achievements, different posts, even with the picture or even without the picture. So it's just like a Twitter or the combination of Twitter or Instagram, both. We have some options just like Twitter. We have the home page, search page. We can add a new thread. We can see the activity and we can visit our profile. So let's create a new thread. So click on this plus icon right at the bottom. And I've just posted a simple post. Hey guys, just joined in. If you want to attach some pictures, some GIF images or some audio with it, even location or hashtags you want to, you can insert that, but we can also post a simple text as well. So click on this one and you can choose the preference. Anyone can reply to this code. I'll just keep it as it is and click on post, just like so. And once it is posted, you can view it from here. Just click on view and it copies most of the information from your Instagram account. And this is the first thread that you have posted. So this is the main profile. Now, if I want to search for other influencers, which I want to follow, just click on the search icon right here. And you can follow all the popular celebrities, or if you follow someone else, like your friend, you can follow him and you can check their threads as well. So most of these people are from Instagram as well. So like I said, it works just like Twitter. So whatever thread your favorite personality has posted, you can reply to those threads as well by just liking, replying, forwarding or resharing this post. So click on this reply icon and it says reply to your favorite person. So just like so, I have replied to it. So that's it guys. This is how it will work. If you want to check some activity, you can just click on this heart icon right here, and the activities that you have done, you have followed some people, you have replied to some people, you can see all of that activity right here. So it just works just like that. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on Instagram, also if you want to learn more amazing stuff on this particular topic, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.